Hi guys, welcome back to the tail end of Vlogmas. Just today and tomorrow left, and I'm putting together a really quick project. This isn't something that is stressful. I'm doing a Christmas Eve box. I love the idea of this project because it's all stuff that I'm doing anyway. It's not any extra chores. I'm going to show you what I mean. So what I'm basically doing is I'm gathering some stuff that my family and I can use Christmas Eve to just make the evening more festive, and I'm going to put everything in this really pretty galvanized bin that I have, but you can use absolutely anything. A sack, a bag, a box, a basket, whatever. And then I'm putting in some things like I've got some matching family PJs. I love these. These are from Primark. They were really inexpensive. I'm also going to add some Christmassy books, stuff that I know my daughter would like to read on Christmas Eve. For a bedtime story, I've got a bunch here. I got these from the Christmas tree shop. Christmas tree shops this year, they had this amazing deal where they had like a whole table of kids' Christmas books, and they were all $1.80, and they were stuff that retailed for much higher than that. So I got a stack, some really pretty books here. I think I've got 5. That'll hold us over. I'm gonna add in some little slippers. If you watched my stocking video, you would notice these. These didn't fit in her stocking, so I'm gonna put them in here. Cozy socks would be another great thing to put in. And then I've got these really cute marshmallows. My daughter's super into marshmallows lately, and we've been loving hot chocolate. I would love to put hot chocolate stuff in this bin, but I already have a whole hot chocolate section in my kitchen, so I don't need to do that. But just some festive marshmallows, and then there you go. That's it. So like I said, it's all stuff that I had on hand because I bought it for us to use on Christmas Eve anyway. I didn't have to do anything special. You can put what's important to your family in the bin, really easy and quick, and this way it makes it like a little bit more special when you break it out. I think this is also great if you have kids that are really anxious to open a present and you really want to save the presents for Christmas morning. Wrap up something like this and they can unwrap that and kind of feed that need there. So let me know what you guys thought of this in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up and hit the red subscribe button to follow along as I finish out Vlogmas. I've got one more video coming for you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.